this case as suicide case. This is murder case. Last 10 days, government administration giving the speech, we will provide the justice. This is injustice, and the pressure will be maintained in the parents of Manisha. These politics harass mentally and physically to the daughters of Haryana.
नमस्कार, आप सभी देख रहे हैं अनकूट। अभी हम धाने लक्ष्मणपुर गांव में हैं, जहां पे कई अलग अलग जगह से लोग आए हैं मनीषा को न्याय दिलाने के लिए। इसी बीच जिंद शहर से, हरियाणा के जिंद शहर से हमारे साथ एक शख्स जुड़े हैं। उनकी बात सुनते हैं कि आखिरकार इस पूरे मसले पे जिस तरह से चीज़ें पुलिस द्वारा की गई, जिस तरह से सरकार का रवैया रहा, उस पर ये अपनी राय रखना चाहते हैं। सर, क्या नाम है आपका?
My name is Naresh.
नरेश जी,
Yes, I belong to Jind, district Jind, state Haryana.
ये पूरी घटना जो है,
Yes, yes.
हाँ, जिस तरह से हुई है, उसको आप कैसे देखते हैं और आपका क्या टेक है इस
Yes,
पे?
all
कि
persons are familiar to this mystery. First of all, the dead body saw by the rural areas peoples, and when the parents of Manisha said to the inspector, "Ki this my daughter is a dead body is received in the is areas." Police inspector said to the Manisha parents, Manisha is run away from the house and will be back within 2 days. This is very old speech by the administration. But when the processions and demonstration do by rural areas include all persons, then administration prepare this case as suicide case. This is murder case, not suicide case. And I also want to say that, and I showed to you, this murder case are involved in the powerful person. I think it is political person. Those belong to.
But the government is saying that they are giving justice to the person, to the people.
Last 10 days, government administration giving the speech, we will provide the justice. This is injustice, not justice. If they want to justice, this is activity done with before 5 days. They give the as a odd speech, and also they think that the issue will be closed by default, and the pressure will be maintained in the parents of Manisha, so that the administration should be clear, and all person will be silent. Committee, the second committee are involved in the bribes. They purchased by the administration and the governments. But I want to say that to the media, please provide the justice to Manisha and save the girls. Narendra Modi said to the Haryana, save the girls and study the girls. But in practically, these politics harass mentally and physically to the daughters of Haryana.
So you are not happy with the?
No, I am not satisfied to this process of the administration. Administration and culprits also involved in this matter.
आप क्या करते हैं अभी?
I am teacher.
You are teacher.
Yes, sir.
वहाँ जिंद में
Yes, sir.
क्या पढ़ाते हैं आप?
Commerce.
कॉमर्स पढ़ाते
Yes,
हैं?
sir.
इन 12th?
12th and 11th.
ओके,
Yes, sir.
तो आप शिक्षक हैं,
Yes, sir.
सरकारी या प्राइवेट?
Private. This is not matter. Go private. Teacher is teacher.
सरकार आपको शुरू से पसंद नहीं है?
No. Government only my life is survive either within 2 times roti and chapati. I am satisfied. More income, more disturbance. More disturbance, more pressure. Low income, simple life, happy life. But
आपकी क्या डिमांड है सरकार से?
I want to say to government administration through the media and to you, please provide the justice to the Manisha and the Dhansangam and to Haryana.
थैंक यू सो मच, आपने अपनी बात रखी, सरकार से जो मांगे की। आशा है कि सरकार आपकी बात सुनेगी, समझेगी और
sir.
हमारी बहन को न्याय जरूर मिलेगा।
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू सो मच।